Welcome back, folks. Dr. Adam McKee here, guiding you through another crucial section of criminal justice, an overview of the system. This time, we're dissecting the latter half of our journey through the foundations of criminal law, focusing on limitations on the criminal law found in the Eighth Amendment, the right to privacy, and the 14th Amendment. Let's break these down into simple, digestible bits, shall we? The Eighth Amendment. Fairness in punishment. The concept of justice and fairness in the legal system is a cornerstone of American jurisprudence, and the Eighth Amendment plays a crucial role in maintaining this balance. It acts as a safeguard against the imposition of excessive punishments that are disproportionate to the crimes committed, embodying the principle that penalties should not only serve as a deterrent but also reflect a sense of fairness and justice. The Eighth Amendment explicitly prohibits cruel and unusual punishments, underscoring the importance of aligning the severity of the penalty with the nature of the offense. This constitutional provision ensures that punishments do not become tools of unjust oppression or lead to inhumane treatment. The role of the Supreme Court in this context is of paramount importance. As the highest court in the land, it has the authority to interpret the Eighth Amendment and determine what constitutes cruel and unusual punishments. Through its judgments, the court has set precedents that guide lower courts and law enforcement agencies, ensuring that the application of the law remains consistent with the underlying values of dignity, proportionality, and fairness. This ongoing judicial oversight is essential in preventing excessive or arbitrary punishments and in ensuring that the justice system remains a fair and balanced instrument of societal governance. The right to privacy, an invisible shield. The idea of privacy isn't spelled out in the U.S. Constitution, but it's still a big deal for our freedom. Think of the Constitution as a puzzle, and the Supreme Court as the pros at solving it. They looked at different parts of the Constitution and figured out that, when you put them together, they protect our private lives from others poking around where they shouldn't. So, what does this mean for you? It's like having an invisible shield that keeps your personal stuff safe. This includes who you choose to hang out with, keeping your home to yourself without worrying about soldiers crashing on your couch, and making your own choices about personal matters. The Supreme Court has made some important decisions to make sure this privacy shield is strong. They've used parts of the Constitution, like the bits saying the government can't just barge into your home or make you share personal info without a good reason, to back this up. This shows how smart the court has to be to make sure our rights keep up with the times and protect the things we care about most. In short, even though the Constitution doesn't say privacy outright, it's a big part of being free to live our lives how we want, thanks to the court's detective work. It's all about keeping a balance between doing what we want and making sure we're all safe and respected. The 14th Amendment. Equality for all. The Equal Protection Clause within the 14th Amendment serves as a foundational pillar for fairness within the legal system. It operates under a simple, yet powerful premise. The law must treat every individual equally, regardless of race, gender, religion, or other distinguishing characteristics. This clause is a critical safeguard against discriminatory practices, ensuring that laws do not unfairly target or disadvantage specific groups. In practical terms, this means that the judiciary and legislative bodies must apply and enact laws uniformly. Whether it concerns the enforcement of drug policies or the process of jury selection, the principle of equal treatment underpins the legal framework. This ensures a level playing field where justice is administered impartially, reflecting the commitment to equality that is central to the Constitution. The significance of the Equal Protection Clause cannot be overstated. It acts as a check against biases, promoting a more inclusive and fair society. By mandating that all individuals are subject to the same legal standards, it reinforces the notion that fairness and justice are not ideals to strive for, but fundamental rights to be upheld. In essence, the clause embodies the commitment to ensuring that equality under the law is not just an aspiration but a reality for all. Reflection time. Think about it. How do these amendments impact your understanding of justice and fairness? Can you see their effects in today's society? It's fascinating how these principles, drafted centuries ago, still shape our lives and legal system. Wrapping it up. Today, we've explored how the Eighth and 14th Amendments, along with the concept of privacy, form the bedrock of justice and fairness in the American legal landscape. These constitutional protections ensure that our rights are safeguarded, promoting a society where fairness and equality aren't just ideals but realities. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the complexities of criminal justice. With each topic, we're piecing together the intricate puzzle of the law, one section at a time. Thanks for joining me, Dr. Adam McKee, on this enlightening journey. Keep questioning, keep learning, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding together. See you in the next one.